Hey guys, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm gonna show you how we can contact Ally Bank. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So there are two different ways to contact Ally Bank. One of them is through texting and another one is through call. So let me talk into details about that. If you are currently residing inside the US, you can call on the given number, which is 001757 247 2559, and you can ask for help. And if you are residing outside the United States, you can contact Ally Bank through their live chat online at ally.com. So these are the two ways by which you can contact Ally Bank. Hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.